So these are my colors today. That's a black base paint, house paint, and Baufarm latex binder. Here we have a magenta of golden, and then also pigments. Here we have teal of deco art, and then turquoise blue of Amsterdam. Here we have a bright yellow of Amsterdam, and then this is nickel azo gold mixed up with some reflex orange, the neon orange. And we are doing, we will be layering paints and then just literally pour it on. Now we get rid of the air bubbles. I also put just some black on the outside as flow extender, so it slides easier over the edges and we have more control on what's on the painting. It makes a huge difference. So, and now that's the experiment. We will be layering the colors just in a cup. Yeah, we're on. Okay. I think I start with the blue in my cup. Then the magenta. Then the orange. And the yellow. And now we're literally just pouring it over. And now we give it a spin. I love this. So with this technique, you really can go big. Bigger formats, bigger sizes, and you get amazing textures, effects. Oh, really, really cool. So I really have to get you into close up. So here we have it, and it really turned out amazing. The textures, the details, the colors, the blending, all that with the spinner. Such a great idea. I definitely will be doing this on a bigger canvas. But yeah, you never really know what will be your end result, you know? I could have layered the paintings or the paints in a wrong way, order, and take up much or so. But no, it worked. I'm happy.